comes out, entertains the crowd. I've mentioned it a few times over this first couple of days, but Perry, the official mascot, entertains the crowd in glorious sunshine here in Costa del Perry Bar. So the athletes are warmed up and ready. Going to heat number 2 of the men's 400 metres. Lanes 2 to 8 being occupied. A reminder, first 3 in the next 3 will guarantee their spot in the semi-finals, which are on Friday. And the final of the men's and the women's 400 metres, incidentally, are on Sunday morning in the morning session, 10:45 and 11 o'clock are the 400 metre finals here in Birmingham. So starting in this second heat, Zhong Yang Tan of Singapore will start on the outside. 47.44 his best. That was back in 2019. No season's best for the 28-year-old. In lane 7, Asa Guevara of Trinidad and Tobago, 4th at the World Indoor Championships in 2018 in the 4x4 relay for Trinidad and Tobago. 45.86 this year. In lane number 6, Nathan Allen of Jamaica didn't finish the World Championships a couple of weeks ago in his semi-final. 45.21 this year. Leongo Scotch of Botswana, 6th at the World Championships in Oregon in that 4x400 metre relay. He started in lane number 5. Emmanuel Wanga from Papua New Guinea will start in lane number 4. The 22-year-old, under 48 seconds at his best. Just outside of that time this season. Lane number 3, Alfred Conte of Sierra Leone. Another athlete we don't have a season's best for, but under 49 seconds is a lifetime best for the athlete starting in lane number 3. And Alexander Bok of Namibia holds the area record that he ran at altitude this year. 45.8 is the time he's clocked in 2022. So should be centre lanes here, 5 and 6. Scotch and Allen, the Botswanan athlete, in good form. Botswana, of course, celebrating because in Cali at the World Juniors just yesterday, Letsile Tobogo lowered his own World Junior 100 metre record to 9.91 seconds. So some good running by Botswana around the world. And Scotch in lane 5 is going to hopefully continue that here in this second heat. First 3 guaranteed a place in those semi-finals. Keep your eye on Scotch and Allen in lane 5 and 6. So a slightly longer hold by the starter, but we do get underway. And indeed, the Botswanan in lane number 5, Leongo Scotch going well. 45.25 this year. The All-African Games champion 3 seasons ago, moving nicely in the familiar colours of Botswana. Nathan Allen, the Jamaican, moving nicely in lane number 6. There's no effort here from Allen, the Jamaican, in lane 6 at the moment. He's having an absolute stroll. Conte of Sierra Leone trying to keep in the mix in lane number 3. But Allen of Jamaica not even out of 3rd gear here. Guevara of Trinidad and Tobago looking to get an automatic spot in lane number 7. Scotch of Botswana will finish in 2nd. 45.17 seconds. That was very, very impressive. Well, the Jamaican, I mentioned in his semi-final at the World Championships in Oregon, didn't finish. Wow, somebody's arrived in Birmingham, Tim, in very, very good form.
I'm absolutely astonished, Kath, at how relaxed he looked. Like he was strolling around that top bend, and then when he came into the home straight, he just upped his game a little bit, started working hard with the arms, knees started coming up, and as Botswana's Scotch inside him accelerated, so he accelerated almost effortlessly. It's one of the most relaxed 45.1s I've seen in a long, long time.
I think that will, as a former 400-metre runner, go down for him, Nathan Allen, as probably one of his best runs ever. It wasn't reflected in the time that he ran, but again, it's the way that he ran it. He's a 44.13 athlete at his best. Let's not forget, the Jamaican is world class, just outside the 44-second barrier. But look at this replay, Tim. Is what caught my attention from the gun down the back straight. He's absolutely loping. The Botswanan, to be fair, isn't putting much effort in either, Scott, but that's caught my attention, that has, and the Jamaican is doing nothing on the top end.
And it's a season's best too, Kath. I mean, this is the thing. He's hardly using his arms here. It's like they're tied to his hips there in that yellow vest. Very relaxed. And then here, this is nice. There's this transition. Just as he leans into the straight, there he goes. Starts working with her hard, pumping a little bit harder. There's something more Bolt-esque about how relaxed he looked.
Well, from Spanish Town in Jamaica, the black, green and gold are going to have enjoyed that one, and the other 400-metre runners in the heats to come. Here at the Commonwealth Games, know that Nathan Allen, the Jamaican, is in form and is definitely going to be in the mix. That was very, very good running.
And a season's best too. I mean, I think, you say he's coming into his best form, 45.18. You wonder where he's been all summer if he can run 45.1, looking half asleep for 300 metres. Yes, you said quite right, he's a 44.1 person, but I would have said off the back of that, Kath, you know better than us, you're a 400-metre specialist, but I would say off the back of that, he's in PB shape.
Yeah, it's a tough one with 400 metres, because how many times we've been at major championships and seen people shutting down with 60 to go or not really committing around the top bend and running fast times, and then when they come back under pressure and try and execute in different conditions, don't replicate it. But that is a very good sign from the Jamaican, and the likes of Korea of Kenya, the likes of Matt Hudson-Smith of England will definitely take note at how easy that 45.18 season best clocking was for Nathan Allen. Scotch, incidentally, did come through for second and Gravera in third. Wow, here we go, the men's 400. The home favourite of England's Matt Hudson-Smith coming up in a later heat is going to have some competition here on his home track. And it could come in the form of that Jamaican run there. Very, very impressive. So confirmation of heat number 2. Nathan Allen of Jamaica. Easy as you like, 45.18 seconds. Scotch and Guevara, as I mentioned, also automatically through to the semi-finals. Well done, Conte, a personal best in 5th, 47.12.
Record 43.03 set in 2016 by South Africa's Wayne van Niekerk. The Jamaican record 43.93 set in 2015 by Rashid MacDonald. The World Championship qualifying mark 44.90. We start in lead number 8. He's the second fastest Jamaican of all time at 43.94. Season's best 45.56. A 2019 World Championship finalist from Tumbleweed Track Club. Welcome, Akeem Bloomfield. In lane number 7, he ran a personal best 45.70 in his semi-final. The only teenager in the final, the 19-year-old from St. Jacob, Gregory Prince. In lane number 6, he's the third fastest Jamaican of all time, the second fastest Jamaican this season at 45.21 from Kuma, Nathan Allen. In lane number 5, he was third in this final last year, representing Jamaica in the mixed and the men's 4x4 at the Olympic Games in Tokyo from Track Kings, Kareem Portley. In lane number 4, the fastest Jamaican this season at 44.87, the fastest in qualifying at 45.38 from the University of Texas, El Paso, Siobhan Powell. He's been on a roll, the man in lane number 3, a personal best in the first round. He was also a personal best form in his semi-final at 45.43 from Racers Track Club, Anthony Cox. In lane number 2, he has multiple medals in the relays at the World and Olympic and the Commonwealth Games bronze medalist from 2018 from Chase Athletics. Welcome, Javon Francis. In lane number 1, he's still the Jamaican junior record holder in this event, an Olympic Games finalist with a lifetime best 44.79 from Tumbleweed, Christopher Taylor. A final lineup for the final of the men's 400 meters. Meters. The 19-year-old Cricket Prince has already gone out quickly in lane number 7. Oh, problems for Prince as they head down the backstretch. The Jamaican number 1, Siobhan Powell, is going well. He's in lane number 4. Prince is still in the race. Akeem Bluefield is flying on the outside as well. The rest of the field will have to catch the big man. Nathan Allen is also moving into the picture, as is Siobhan Powell. Akeem Bluefield, Nathan Allen, Siobhan Powell, Akeem Bluefield, Nathan Allen and Siobhan Powell now. Look at this finish. It's going to be Siobhan Powell, the fastest Jamaican coming into this final this season, and he delivers. The former Edward Allen and the Kingston College man comes up big, 45.50. Nathan Allen comes through in second position. Anthony Cox in third. 45.64 for Nathan Allen in second.
So Wagwan Jamaica. So hello everyone, I want to welcome you back to the channel. Kindly, if it's your first time coming across my video, feel free to share, comment, and also don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And for the returning ones, I want to appreciate you for the love and support that you have shown to me. So guys, I want first of all to appreciate those Jamaicans for what they have done. They have really made us proud. Me here, I live in Africa, and I really like seeing Jamaica dominating in the track and field. So guys, that was a very good race. It's not a recent race, but the quality, the quality of that race, those youths have shown that Jamaican will always be on top in the track and field, guys. So I was quite very happy to see, those Jamaicans winning and dominating in the track and field. Most of us people out here outside the Caribbean, we know Jamaican for what they have done. We know Jamaican for what they have achieved. So guys, we know that Jamaican, have really break lots and lots of records in the track and field. We know the legend Usain Bolt. Many people, guys, know Usain Bolt. Even here where I live, guys, I've seen some buses having the graffiti of Usain Bolt, because Usain Bolt is being known to, he was the fastest man and he won a lot of races, and many people, I think, knew Jamaican because of what they are doing in the track and field. So guys, I've really seen other people, other competitors nowadays, like they travel to Jamaica, they travel to Jamaica, they want to interact with these Jamaicans, they want to know why is it that Jamaican is dominating in the track and field. I hear that they even hire the coaches they hire the coaches from Jamaica to see if at least they can cope with the Jamaican. When you want to compete with Jamaican, you have to train very smart. Not only training hard, but you have to train very smart. So if you are in a race and you see a Jamaican next to you, just know that the race, the race will be difficult, because Jamaican losing in the track and field is very hard. Like those people, like that thing, this running thing is like it's in their bloodstream. They are being known for breaking and breaking loads of records. The other day I saw Sharika Jackson dominating there in the track and field, and I was very happy, you know, seeing Sharika Jackson carrying the Jamaican flag, and it brings a lot of joys to us, the black people, seeing the Jamaican winning in the track and field. Even though the Usain Bolt, the legend Usain Bolt, retired, you have seen that the youth have that winning spirit. I think they learned from the legend Usain Bolt, you know. So you have seen that the youths there have got that winning spirit dominating. They're like, we are not going to let the Jamaican flag down. Even though Usain Bolt retired, we want to still make the Jamaican flag to be on top. We want to still break lots of records. And when you see such talents from younger people, you know, you have some hopes that Jamaican will always be delivering. Jamaican will always continue with the spirits of winning in these short distance races. And for the other ones, the other competitors from other countries, you know, even you are doing a good job, and don't give up, just continue training. Well, I've seen that many are traveling to Jamaica, and they are doing their practices there. You know, they practice with those champions, they practice with the Jamaican runners, and I think that will really help them. They will get some knowledge, they will interact, they will become better in the next races to come. So guys, I hope that you have seen that race, and it is a very good thing seeing the youths, you know, continuing with the spirit of Usain Bolt, continuing with dominating in the track and field. And us as black people were very happy when you see Jamaicans, they have win, they are carrying their flags and they are celebrating. We are very happy because we do like and we always support Jamaica. So guys, kindly, if it's your first time coming across my video, feel free to share, comment, and also don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And for the returning ones, I want to appreciate you for the love and support that you have shown me. Guys, big up to those Jamaicans. They are making us proud back here in Africa, and we want and we wish you all the best. We want to see you just winning and dominating the track and field. We all know Jamaican for winning. You know, when you see Jamaica, just know it's a country that is always winning, you know, and it's always have a lot of influence, you know. Guys, I've seen many visitors are going to Jamaica because it's a big brand, and we want to see this big Jamaican, because what they have done to this world. You guys can imagine this world without Jamaica. It could be so boring. So guys, I want to appreciate those youths, and they keep on winning because we want to see Jamaican flag on top. So guys, stay safe, don't forget to put a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so that we can keep going and interacting more. And also guys, stay safe, meet you in my next video. One love.